We will quickly move on with the next program, which is in English. It's an English play. Give us a few moments to arrange the stage. It has been a wonderful experience with children putting up program of different languages. Yes, we already have them on stage. Can we put our hands together for these two little ones? Thank you.
Now we will watch an English play which tells us that dreams do come true, and when there are people who love us and believe in our dreams, our goals and our aspirations will surely come true.
Very soon we shall see the story of a clay bird and how beautifully the clay bird will learn to fly. We will put life, we will breathe life into this little clay bird. Let us see how the story unfolds. Information in between that the two narrators have been trained so beautifully by Amrita ma'am. So I think we can put our hands together for Amrita ma'am also. Yeah, she has been working very, very hard, just like other teachers, definitely. But, this is a really tough job to get them prepared. And thank you, parents, also, for helping us do this so perfectly, so beautifully. Yes, I think we are ready to go. In between, I'm sure you're enjoying the little sounds that's coming out like, hey, aste aste, hey, jode jode. Sorry for that, but the little ones have their lapels on. So what to do? How much ever you tell them, they will be naughty in between. That's how we all are. So that's the fun of the evening. I think it's taking a little time to build the clay bird. You see, it's not easy to build up things made up of clay. How long it takes to build Durga ma'am, isn't it? Finally they are ready. So, putting our hands together once again, parents, for the little ones on stage. Thank you.
Village of Ashapur, there once lived a potter called Ramlal. He loved to work on his potter wheel day and night and created wonders. The villagers said that he had magic in his fingers and he could transform clay into something magical. Bent over his wheel, he works with quiet grace. Every turn of the clay sings of patience, of struggle, of hope. In his hands, the soil of the earth becomes the soul of art. A large, beautiful, unpainted clay bird stands beside him. If only you could fly, little one. Ramlal Chacha, what is this? It is magnificent. A bird I made today. Isn't she beautiful? Yes! But it's so heavy. It could never fly. It looks like that it wants to fly. Look at its wings. It's so beautiful. Its wings are full of silent wishes. Precisely. A dream carried by many hearts might just reach the sky. But Ramlal Chacha clays for the ground, for pots and toys. Why would you want it to fly? So that you all know anything is possible. That even something so solid and heavy as clay can be lifted with a little bit of hope. We could try. Yes! Let's make it fly! is everywhere. Dear all, welcome to the Ashapur market and get ready for some shopping. Which box is? Yes. Let's go. Fresh tomatoes, fresh cucumbers, fresh apples, all fresh, come before it finishes, all fresh, come before it finishes, all fresh, come before it finishes. Wow, this tie is so soft, Alugda. How much does it cost? For you, sister, at special price. Special? Huh? You say that to everyone. 30 million. Ah, the market. So much noise. So much life. It's like the whole village has gathered here. The market is buzzing. It's a regular old feast for the eyes and the ears. And look over there. Yeah, see them? Millie, Guddu, Bubbly and Tinku are huddled together like they've got a secret. These kids are completely captivated by something. Oh wow! What are these little ones up to now? The little clay bird. It's so delicate. It's tied with a string just like a kite. And it looks like it's ready to take off and fly away. Looks like they want to make the clay bird fly in the sky. Yes. If a kite can fly, why not a bird? Yes, why not? Just wait. It will fly higher than a kite. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I told you, it's no use. We are going to break it. It just needs bigger wings. Minnie, Guttu and Tinku take turns running across the square. Hush, trying to make it fly. Its wings flap and wobble like it's about to fly away. It's like trying to fly a stone. Of course, it won't fly. The wind isn't strong enough. Don't worry, we will make it fly, strong wind or not. Yes, make it dance again. These children, they will tear it apart before it even leaves the ground. Hey children, what are you doing with a bird? Planning to break it? Come here instead, have some sweets. Come. No, Shantanji, we are not breaking it. We are helping Ramlal Tata's dream fly. His dream? Oh, now I understand. We will make this dream come true. That is a beautiful dream. I see. These children are really trying their best to make it fly.
cheer. It wears the wings of a butterfly, soft and light, flying near. Together they sing of courage, of dreams that rise to the sky.
An elephant once, so big and round, lifted his feet right off the ground. He flapped his ears so wide, so high, and floated gently through the sky. The clouds all giggled, the birds flew fast. How can an elephant fly so fast? He trumpeted loud. I'll show you how. The sky is mine. I'll fly right now. Over the fields, over the streams, he carried the children in their dreams. And even today, when clouds drift by, they say it's the elephant in the sky.
I'm undefeated, oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord, yeah, I believe it, oh, the past is everything we were, don't make us who we are, so I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars, it's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible, possible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. Until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning
center with the children. Before them, the great claybird, shining with colors.
Are we ready?
Yes!
Come, please help me. One, two, three. Look at our hearts. Can you feel it soar? We tried to make a bird fly. And look at what we did. We brought the whole village together and showed that the greatest dreams aren't about reaching the sky, but about lifting each other up.
And the bird touched the sky that day. The bird touched the heart that day. Something much greater took flight. A dream that belonged to them all.
Thank you so very much. Put our hands together, louder and louder. Requesting Teresa ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Upasana ma'am, Shivani Di to be on stage. The choreography, dance choreography was done by Madhurima ma'am. Kindly come on stage. Thank you so very much. So finally they could breathe life into this clay bird. And the bird, not even speaking a word, but she said so much silently. So beautiful. Look at her expressions. Wonderful. Thank you so much. From quiet earth, a bird is born. Warm clay cradled by patient hands. A curve for wings, a tilt for hope, each touch a whisper of breath. What was once silent soil learns to dream of sky. In shaping it with care and love, we do not give it feathers, we actually give it life. Every creation has life in it. We once again have the two little ones up on stage, putting our hands together for them, and Amrita ma'am